Okay. Good morning. So, andito na kami sa Pangasinan. Okay. Daniel, there's another poso, gripo. Well, deep. Okay. So, this is our house. There's a cage for dog. Here is muddy. Maputek. Okay. So, until here, this is the boundary. This one. Yeah. That is the boundary of our land here. Tabi-tabi po. Yeah, there's a well. It's my boyfriend, Daniel. Okay, come on. I'll tour you around. Okay, there's a mango tree again. See. Oh, see, there's a lot of chicken, native chicken. This part of this land is my uncle land, brother of my mother. Okay, I'm they're selling this part. Oh.
They're selling it?
Yes, they're selling this one.
Oh.
If nice, if okay, if you want to buy it, we can extend the long one. There's a lot of chicken. Ang gapoy may ipabayos ko. May kikirwa laba. Ito po tinto akin. Matigawan. Nachinla. Basta enjoy lang. Here, there's a lot of banana. Kuwanta mo balit. See, sige. Tay baso, iisin po iyo tay baso. Baso nila. Yan. There's a lot of papaya. Ano, not papaya, it's banana. Kuwanta mo balit. Inuutang kayo. Utang. Oh, si. Nandiyan, ipawitan ko kayo medicine. Ano to, luya? Oh, ginger. Oh, sige. It's a ginger. There also. So, this is the boundary. I told them to plant trees as a fence.
So this is the end of your property right
Yes. Because this property until there, mothers, brothers, and sister, they divided it.
Yeah.
Come, I'll show you. Until there. Okay. Sige, te. Sige po. There's another.